Will the MP of Autonomous District, CM of KAC, remain silent amidst the seemingly creation of Kamatapur in Eastern Nagaland states? APHLC Duarbagori Constituency Committee condemned Horen Singh Bay MP for his Lucifer's remark on Jai Qatar. Holistic Life Transforming and Empowering Community organized awareness program on advanced cooking stove at Upper Deopani. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Various social organizations of Karbi Anglong raised their concern over the desensitized outlook from the Member of Parliament of Three Autonomous District and Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amidst the news of seemingly creating Kamatapur and Eastern Nagaland states pre-Independence Day 2023. The hearsay of creating separate Kamatapur and Eastern Nagaland states pre-Independence Day 2023 had ignited the sentiments of the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. This had triggered exasperation and displeasure among the general public, as the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong had been demanding the implementation of their constitutional rights since the last 37 years. People elected Horen Singh Bay, Member of Parliament of Three Autonomous District, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to present these demands at the lower house of India and at the State Assembly respectively. Horen Singh Bay, Member of Parliament, could be seen attending KAC meetings in rural areas rather than raising the voice of voiceless people of Karbi Anglong at the Parliament. On the other hand, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, during the Rail Roko movement at Deephu said he is ready to be murdered for Karbi Anglong statehood, but he is silent now.
CM hani tumin puyang tungga alang ni rame dusi khai phan chinghon duk pudak Deephu Rail Roko hot alang ni ning done vene hem prek yone ni pran dame chipi dei pu salang ni pu tame non alang ni apolo ni tum hampang sombenge Hemprek jone alang ni apran chipi na ngai non ma arpu ben jethan ni tum hampang somang ke hang la se alang ni jethan haida pate ni tum hampang so asong no name alang ni phan chirap dunji.
As this is the right time to raise their voice, if not now, when? If not them, who? MP, MLA, CM, EM, MEC, and all the public representatives were elected for their assurance in raising their voice for statehood. Therefore, if all the public representatives are now petrified to raise the long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong at their respective platforms, give their resignation at this instant demand various social organization.
Non pacuta Telangana ke pia dui last ke pihuta alang tu ke hemprek pulo hala suta insam duli angke non ako non ta hemprek ke pitupo hala ili tum ke chitoi dun MP phan bangke ningkan pho ke pleng po no lan ta lam thei ni bela hala ta lam thei si karju dun ta pa pleng alang phan ke provision ave pu non provision do ave ke non ladak thek prong lo ke rara tum ta.
Social organizations appeal the concerned citizens to question against those public representatives with reference to creation of autonomous state whenever they organize a public meeting at their locality. KUYA, AJD, KYDA, KALU, KHDRC, UPKA, YAAC, SYDC, KYSO, LYDC and Kaya advise the general public to prohibit their entry if they fail their explanation. NewsX report for KAL Live. On 8th of January, a consultative meeting was arranged at Rongkhelan, Amring constituency, between the general public of Wanpung and Samatan and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang-led KAC government. Hence, on this meeting, Horen Singh Bay MP, while delivering his speech, labelled Jai Qatar, President of All Party Hills Leaders Conference, APHLC, as the Lucifer of Karbi Anglong. Therefore, with a reference to this remark, on the 9th of January, APHLC Duarbagori Constituency Committee condemned Horen Singh Bay MP during a press conference. During the press conference called on 9th of January, APHLC Duarbagori Constituency condemned his statement made during the public meeting held at Amring constituency and alleged Horen Singh Bay MP to be ignorant and arrogant leader among all.
Hijim dun thude nilutum Duarbagori APHLC hoi pen setami kopi polo potelang like non het jong ta jai kathar panta Jesus Christ pen sipatin lo la pen ke alang li Lucifer posipulo Lucifer pote inoda soitan pote kumalo no na bang ke alang li mek thang ma si sining leng thok sita imhang chiro poton ta thak sino na bang ke la bang ke Lucifer ahok pe Lucifer ke kumalo pote forensic bielo ngilitum ki jong don je bang ke la se alang li hilo ki up ine ki dan dene ki tek thene amuk ki wang wene MP lo
Horen Singh Bay MP is dull, who is still unaware of his own powers, rather than raising his voice for statehood at the parliament. He is here following the footsteps of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The one who compared Jai Kathar as a Lucifer is actually the Lucifer himself, alleged Mondor Singh Ingti, president of APHLC, Duarbagori constituency.
Alang li laningkan po mek jang dun lot ajoy ne alang li non kamatapur na 26 Januari long bang ke kamatapur pan ke hempe alame ke chingwai do pupu alang li chithera re mante alang li pulo alang li ke mantu neta kar tim kar biang long mate BJP kar biang long BJP tungke kar biang long hempe farman bang ke hang farman bang ke mantu ne penta apit jengkam sinan kirui dalang pula solam ning jever ente alang li non chithera rima la haya hoya du alam kinin jedam
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 8th of January, Conservation and Economic Importance of Bamboos and Awareness Program on Advanced Cooking Stove was organized by Holistic Life Transforming and Empowering Community at Chandra Ingti Village under Upper Deopani region. Holistic Life Transforming and Empowering Community, in short HLTEC NGO, initiated an awareness program on cooking stove and economic importance of bamboo plant with the general public of Chandra Ingti village and its adjoining villages. Sachin Anpat, Senior Manager of Infinite Solution, Indore, while demonstrating the project informed that at normal stove, the rate of carbon emissions produced is very high as compared to the advanced cooking stove developed by them. The production of carbon emission is extremely reduced, which ultimately is safer, healthier and easier for cooking.
खांसी होना, आंखें जलना, तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को कम करने के लिए हम एक इम्प्रूव्ड कुक स्टोव लेके आए हैं जो कि खुद स्टेनलेस स्टील का बना हुआ है जिसकी लाइफ रहती है अच्छी। ये लकड़ी तो साथ ही साथ कम काटता है, साथ ही धुआं कम करता है। दो चीज़ों पे हम इसका एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
Sotkiri Terang, activist of HLTEC NGO, while speaking to us informed that awareness over the economic importance of bamboos and the knowledge of carbon credits were thoroughly discussed with the general public of the region.
To say lasu a project kaso komentu si kacheng ponji man at the earliest lasu aning kan sinitum cheng ponji pusi nilitum dak ake hoitum aprek infinite solution pen chotong dun ni pen indoor pen do alang litum pensionitum collaboration on lasu aning kan nilitum cheng ponji pusi litum ning chethelo
Sanjit Crow's report from Chukhiala for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.